The Lexington Medical Center Foundation supports the mission of Lexington Medical Center, which is to meet the healthcare needs of our community. We actually are able to provide hope. We get to provide services that enhance the patient experience. The foundation gets to step in and provide those services that are extra, that will make the patient's experience better and hopefully impact our entire community.
The Lexington Medical Cancer Center is a multidisciplinary oncology program here at the hospital that encompasses many different physician disciplines, as well as staff and resources that are dedicated to the care of the cancer patient. And to have the resources and the ability to be able to do that here in the Midlands prevents patients from having to travel outside their homes, away from their loved ones, their family, their work, to get that high quality of care. And our affiliation with Duke and the Oncology Network allows us to bring NCI-sponsored clinical trials right here in the community so that patients can receive those treatments, the latest therapies, and participate in research which helps to move cancer care forward. The Lexington Foundation and the support of the foundation in cancer care is vitally important because in projects both large and small, such as the Campaign for Clarity, bringing 3D mammography to the Midlands, all the way to just helping patients with vouchers to get prescriptions, rides for treatment, and have their power on in the wintertime when it's cold. These are the things that allow a patient to get through their therapy, in addition to bringing up the level of care here at the hospital for our community.
Well, I absolutely believe that Lexington Medical Center has the best cancer program anywhere. I am biased. I had breast cancer 15 years ago, and I have continued for 15 years to tell patients, as an oncology nurse, I could have gone anywhere in this country, but I knew that I was going to get exactly what I needed right here at Lexington Medical Center. So whenever I think about 3D mammography and just the improvement over 2D, you're just able to find that cancer so much sooner, where maybe with 2D, it could have been maybe another 2 or 3 years before that cancer would be visible to 2D mammography. And maybe, patients don't see what the foundation does every day. The truth is, it's their fight too. They're working and doing everything in their power to help that patient along the way.
Our heart program is full service. So we have full service for cardiac surgery, full service for interventional cardiology, and now it's full service for structural heart disease. We're helping in the interventional world. We have the new Absorb stent, the bioabsorbable platform. We have new pacemakers that will be leadless. There's not going to be any more hardware other than a tiny little device that gets implanted in your heart. I think Lexington has done a fantastic job by listening, and they listen to the needs of the community, and they listen to our needs and what do we want for our patients. And so they've given us the tools that we need to service our patients the best.
One of the main ways that the foundation supports our cardiac rehab programs is through a scholarship for patients who can't afford to be in the cardiac rehab programs. Once a patient has had a heart attack or once they've had open heart surgery, they're faced with their co-pays, their high deductibles, and lots of bills. Our nurses offer them the opportunity to apply for a scholarship to allow them to be able to participate in our great programs. One of my nurses told me it's the best feeling to know that she has the ability to remove any financial barrier to a patient being able to participate in cardiac rehab. So there's lots of things that the foundation does for our patients.
Every day, I'm awed and inspired by the tremendous care that our clinical team and all the employees at Lexington Medical Center help provide to the many patients we serve in the Midlands. The foundation is a vital member of that team, as it allows us to expand our reach beyond the walls of the hospital and provide necessary enhancements to the care we provide that we wouldn't be able to otherwise. Lexington Medical Center is in the midst of its largest expansion in history. As our medical center grows and as more and more patients come here for service, it is vital that our foundation continue to grow by extending our reach much further beyond the walls than we would ever be able to do ourselves.
Well, this hospital was established and has really always maintained a culture of community service, and the foundation is instrumental in that. I appreciate the way that the foundation listens to those who are closest at the bedside to see what they feel our needs are, as they know that we also have a hand on the pulse of the patients. We are excited to be able to partner with them this year in a safe sleep initiative for our facility. And what this does is allows the hospital to get rid of blankets, which we know have been a suffocation risk for newborns, and provide patients sleep sacks to use while they're here in the hospital. And the foundation was instrumental in getting us a sleep sack to send home with the baby as well, so that they can continue those safe sleep practices at home.
From the minute you step into Lexington Medical Center, you know that it's a unique place. And what makes it so unique are the people that work at Lexington Medical Center. And what the foundation gets to do each year is partner with those employees that provide that exceptional care each and every day with what we call our Universal Employee Campaign. A lot of those dollars go to help our fellow employees, whether it's to provide them a scholarship to continue their education, or if they are in a unique, catastrophic situation, we can step up and be able to help them through that. Not only do these employees work each and every day to serve our patients and their families and the community, but they also want to give back because they know firsthand that the dollars they give to the foundation helps us to enhance that patient care.
Every year the foundation supports the nursing profession by providing nursing scholarships. Most of the scholarships are awarded to our employees, our nurses, who are beginning their career in nursing, pursuing an initial degree, or those nurses who are going back after their bachelor's degree or their master's degree. You know, the foundation has been incredible, not just with scholarships, but with equipment and with programs to make sure that they can provide the care that our patients deserve and expect from us.
Lexington Medical Center is very special. We all know that. You know, there's a saying that you find out who your friends are when there's a bad situation, and I found out that day that they're not just my friends. It's not just where I come to work every day. It's my family. And to know that makes you want to strive to be a better employee, to be a better person. Eventually I'll forget all about it. I'll forget about the flood and things will all get back to normal. But that very moment that I needed them the most, they were there. And that is what I'll remember forever. UEF means to me that in my time of need, they helped me when I had nobody to turn to.
To be able to see firsthand the difference that we're making in people's lives and how we're making what usually is a very difficult journey, the Lexington Medical Center Foundation is able to step in and make it just a little bit better. And we are able to provide hope to those patients, their families, their caregivers, and our community.